So some of the key limitations with the oxidase test are going to be you're definitely going to want to do it from a fresh culture, so about 24 hours old, 18 to 24 hours. If it's less than that, then it's too young. If it's older than that, you could get some variability in the testing results. So that's something key to keep in mind. As I mentioned before about you're not going to want to do it on any type of media with dyes, such as your MAC plate. You're going to want to do it isolated cultures. Any type of mixed cultures can give false results. So just make sure it's isolated. And that's about it. So just keep that in mind when you're doing the test, and just look for that purple color, and that'll give you oxidase positive. And the reason why that's important is for your gram negatives, if it's oxidase positive, then that pretty much excludes it from the enteric bacteria or your enterobacteriales, with the exception of Pseudomonas. That's your one exception, which is oxidase positive. But if you get oxidase negative tests, then you're looking at your enteric bacteria, and then oxidase positive is going to be some of your more detrimental bacteria, such as Pseudomonas. That's a key one. Neisseria, etc. Haemophilus, all going to be oxidase positive. Gram negative rods, gram negative cocobacilli. And the reason this test is still used in the lab nowadays is that instead of sending an isolate to the multi-TOF for identification, you can just bench coal it. So if it looks like a Pseudomonas, I'll show you a picture of that. You just do an oxidase test, and if it's positive, then that can be your confirmatory in order to just bench coal it as Pseudomonas instead of wasting time with the identification system. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you next time.